We are UL Standards and Engagement. We make millions of products safer for you, even if you don't realize it. We do this by developing safety standards, more than 1,700 to date. So what is a safety standard? Think of it like an instruction manual to guide the testing of products, services, and systems, so when you use them, they're safer for you. Our work and advocacy focus on the 4 areas that matter most to you. Home safety, helping to protect your home and everyone in it. Travel safety, keeping you safer from point A to point B and everywhere in between. Community safety, helping safeguard where you work, live, and thrive. And environmental safety, helping power a more sustainable future. Our work has global reach because safety shouldn't have borders, so while you may not see it, our impact touches many of the products you use and trust every day. The world is changing, so are the risks. And through our work, we're on a mission to make the world safer for you.